Make sure you keep your eyes open. There's going to be a big announcement about Charlie's next movie in a few minutes.
Like never?
Like never.
See, I doubt it. I can tell from the glint in your eye you were once very attractive.
Charlie, I think it's time for you to go.
Very big announcement coming up very soon.
Anyways, I'm hoping there's a big scandal because, you know, it always increases my readers. Oh, yeah. Everybody loves a good scandal in Hollywood, right?
Thank you. And I'm here to announce we are about to start making a brand new movie. It's called Fill in the Funny. It's sure to be a smash hit. Do you know why? Why? It's going to star the beautiful, the lovely, the talented Marion Daisy.
Thank you everyone so much. I am absolutely delighted to be part of this fabulous picture. And I would also like to introduce to you my co-star, the one and only Mr. Charlie Chaplin.
Oh my God. That's right. Charlie will also star in our film. He's going to be back once again as the funny role of the Little Tramp.
No. I'm sorry, folks. I'm doing a serious role this time. It's drama. A very serious role. Much like all of you right now.
That's funny, Charlie.
I kind of meant this as a surprise for later, thank you, but I've taken it upon myself to hire a co-writer for the film. Helping me write this will be Miss Lolly Parsnips here.
What are you talking about?
I thought you were writing this picture.
Well, yes, but she, honey, I mean...
Wait. She is not writing my movie. That's ridiculous. Come on, she's a gossip columnist.
Gossip columnist, really? And how does someone so low on the Hollywood fame chain think they can stop me? That's what I thought. Listen, darling, I make Hollywood. I don't just write the news, I create it.
What happened just now?
I actually have no idea. It looks like that woman drank champagne and something must have been in it. I have no idea. But you know, don't you find it fascinating that there's another scandal? You heard about 1924, right?
No.
Oh, in 1924 there was a famous party that Hearst had. Same thing happened. A producer was killed.
The producer?
Oh, yes. A producer. He was actually shot. Yes, and I happened to be there. That's how I got my job. Been a gossip columnist ever since.
I am not going to be a comedian anymore. I am not going to be the Little Tramp anymore. I'm going to do a serious drama. And if Cecil B. Maroon thinks he can stand in my way, this way, well, then he is going to be out of the picture for real.
Charlie also said to us, though, that unless you let him make the kind of movie he wants to, you'll be out of the picture one way or the other.
Charlie said I'll be out of the picture.
One way or the other.
One way or the other. Never happened. Never happened.
That's good. You know, Charlie's a funny guy.
Are you blackmailing him? Blackmailing him? He owes me money, that's all.
I worked for the money. I'm keeping the money. That's all there is.
Hardly worked for the money, but whatever.
Do not take any of the evidence from the site that you can investigate.
What's the butterfly?
Well, it appears there's some ink that and it looks very similar to the ink that's on the letter that she cut the hand of the of the producer with.
What have you, but now...
Accidental, right? She's looking at you also.
It's accidental.
I think she knows you're talking about.
Accidental. Why accidental? Either her or the captive. The reason I'm saying it may be the captive.
Make sure you put your tape on the
The gossip columnist was blackmailing him. You know? And that's... And there was more... Was it... What's her name?
She was blackmailing him because that's why...
The blonde. Marion, sorry. Wasn't he having an affair with Marion?
No, I say the gossip columnist.
Then he wanted his wife back.
Three reasons for killing her.
The columnist.
So he could get his wife back.
Well, that was the article. That's the article.
Strangle with rope.
We've got a winner, and that table is table number, what was this? 6. 2!